Hey, welcome back to the channel. Grampzquad here. I have a 2009 Cadillac CTS here. It's the V6 3.6 liter. I'm doing head gaskets and timing on it. The oil pressure gauge shows full pressure or zero pressure off and on. So it's right now, last time I had this running, it was showing 660 kPa or something like that. So the sending unit is bad. I'm going to show you quickly how to replace it. All right, so that's the part there. I got it from Rock Auto. If you don't think I use Rock Auto a lot, I think I've got a few more that have gone missing, but there's my Rock Auto collection. It's always fun to get a new magnet in the mail. Anyway, here is the new pressure sensor sender. And the old one, I wasn't very careful removing the electrical connection, and I really didn't care, so that broke off. But it is right down here on the oil filter housing. So it's really hard to get in there with anything, and it's an odd shaped deal. So I got my channel locks, and you just go in there and whatever else you have, get in there and loosen that off. So that's where it is. That's how you take it off. And the clip on this thing, you got to reach around with a pick and pry it off the little tab. A lot of them are squeeze ones, but this one you're going to have to pry up there to pull that little connection off on the oil pressure sending unit. So there's another quick little video showing you how to replace the oil pressure sending unit if you've got your gauge is either zero or all the way to the top. Please remember to like and subscribe. It helps my little channel out a whole bunch. I really appreciate it. See you in the next one. We'll have some more coming out on the Cadillac CTS or the 3.6 liter. We're going to be putting back this engine here shortly.